Hi guys, welcome back. It's Nadine. I just wanted to show you one of our projects that we were working on. My husband and I, we decided that we are going to paint our foyer. So we have started the process. We are now, well, I just finished patching holes. This side of the wall of the room had lots of holes. Sad to say, these lines here, that's cracks. And I know that's more of an advanced and probably a serious issue, but we decided to just spackle that and paint. As you can see, there wasn't much damage on this wall, just 3 holes there and 2 holes there. So nothing on this wall. But yeah, so in case you wonder what this black thing was, that was a attempt to make a chalkboard calendar, but it didn't work out, so we don't use it. So I'm going to get rid of that. We are going to change this light fixture because it's really dated. We don't like it. When we moved in, this lighting track and this lighting track was in the house. I don't think I'm going to change it because I don't know much about electrical, neither does my husband, so we decided just leave it and just deal with it. But we are going to paint the trim and the doors white. We're going to change the sockets on the light fixture, light socket, light switcher plates, and the sockets we're going to change, and we're going to paint all the trim white. But so that's our plan. This is day 1. This is the stuff I use to spackle, to patch up the holes, called dry deck spackle. This is about $7 or $8 at Home Depot. What I used it before, but what I love about it is that it goes on pink, and you'll know it's dry when it turns completely white. So, like as you can see, like some of it, like that was almost not quite dry. So after that's dried, I'll sand and smooth everything out. So, and the paint we're using is Behr Marquee, which is they say it's good. You don't have to use one coat. That's what I love about it. And it's advanced stain blocking paint and primer, which is really great. And the color we decided on was Breezy blue. So something kind of, I guess, beachy, because I want something beachy. I mean, everyone does gray and light white, you know, and I was like, let's do something different. So we may do the whole downstairs in this color, but yeah. So this is the first process. Today I patched up the holes. I'm going to sand, then I'm going to tape off, and tomorrow we are going to paint. So stay tuned to see the next process of getting this foyer updated. So I just finished painting. It's not completely dry, but it looks a lot brighter in here than it did before. The next thing we have to do is the trim, because it's like an off-white color. We want white. So, and we're also going to paint this. It's a radiator there, but we can take it off and we're going to paint it. I think my husband wants to paint it white. That's the same color as the trim. So. Not bad. I like it. I think it looks good. So, on to the next step. Okay, so as you can see, I painted the trim. It looks pretty good. This is going into our living room, which I will do shortly. But I want to tackle these doors. These are French doors that go into the dining room. And as you can tell, it's kind of blurry. And you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, you painted the window pane, the glass, but I didn't. As you can see, there's a film on it, as you can tell. And I did research because I was like, I know I'm kind of sloppy with paint, and I know this is tedious work. So I did research, and I found this stuff. It's called masking liquid H2O, and it's for windows. And what you do is, before you start painting, you paint the window, the edge of the window, like this over here, but I know me, so I painted the whole glass. And that's what I did with all of them. There is 15 on each door, so that's 30. So I painted all of them. I put one coat on, had to let it sit for 30 minutes. Then I put another coat on, let it sit for 4 hours, so I just let it sit overnight. And then I started painting the window panes. And as you could tell, I mean, if you look, if you see over there, see, I know myself, I'm sloppy. And sad to say, some of the window panes, like this one, and I think this middle one, there's no glass, and which I need to replace, and one over here as well, that one. So I painted. Now I'm going to show you how you take the film off. So just one second. I'm going to do this window pane so you can see how you take off the plastic. So you take your utility knife and you just squirt down the side like this. And you just do all the sides. You can come up here. You just score it. And then down this side. And so I just take my knife and kind of peel it up. Let's see if I can get in there. Let's try another corner. Just so I can grab it. I'm just taking my utility knife. And as you can see, it peels right off. As you can see, I still got some over here, but I'll clean that up. And the film just peels right off, giving it a clean look. Look at that. That is a game changer for me when it comes to painting. Now, of course, I gotta clean up some, I still got a little bit of plastic up here. Well, actually, I'll clean up, but it is so much easier to do it this way by putting that film on than having to try to paint this without getting on the glass and stuff. What a difference. So I'm gonna get rid of the rest of these and then I will show you where we at in this room. So this is what the foyer looks like right now. I painted the trim and the windows like that. Only thing I gotta work on is this. I gotta take it outside and spray paint it. But it looks really good now. I messed up on what's the floors. If you see all the paint, but I did some research all over there, and I did some research and I found this Goo Gone Latex paint cleanup, and so I'm going to try it and see how that works, and I'll let you know. Okay, so I sprayed the Goo Gone and it's been sitting for 2 minutes, so we are going to see if this comes up. Oh my goodness, it's working! Wow. This stuff really works. Now, my floors, I think, are the original hardwood floors because you can, this is probably the 85-year-old floor. So there's, it's green in, so that's why it's like, it may take a little bit longer, a little bit more elbow grease, but at least I don't, have to work too hard to get it out. Let's see this one over here. Oh, look at that. That one came up quick. Oh, yeah. Total game changer. But yeah, see? This is going to work. And I have a lot to do. But, yeah, this stuff, it really works. This is not sponsored or anything, but I just wanted to show you, thank God for just research and YouTube and internet, because I was able to find this stuff. But yeah, it works great. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up the floors and then get later on today. Got stuff from IKEA. to start putting this entryway back to normal again. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Today I'm going to reveal my foyer makeover. I will show you a picture of what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. This is just part of it, but this is our entry, how we come in the house. We live on the second floor, and so I painted these, this door. I will put all the supplies, everything I bought, I'll put it down below where you can get it. So I started off by painting the wall. We painted the wall. It's called Beachy Blue by Behr. I believe it's Behr, but again, I'll link it down below. We'll first start with the clock. I bought a new clock. I got this from IKEA. It's originally $19.99, but because I have an IKEA family member card, it only cost me $14.99. So it looks really nice. I like it. I always want an analog clock because I want my kids to know how to tell time this way and not through a cell phone or digital watch. So next we got these hooks. We got these from IKEA as well. This is actually, we bought 6 of them. It actually stops here. You can tell. So this is one that you will get. It's 5 hooks, and we bought 6 of them, and we got some of it cut down. My neighbor downstairs, he's a construction worker, so he was working on a project and he cut it down for us. So we have 6, and we decided to put hooks everywhere because we are a large family. We have 6 of us with 4 kids. So we decided to put hooks all the way around the wall. So we really like it. It's been very helpful. Things have been off the floor. The floor's been staying clean. We also bought this storage from IKEA. Again, I'll tell you exactly the name of it and where I got it, how much it costs and all that in the description box. Let me open it up. I also got a container to separate it, so one for each kid. And I'll just show you real life how the other one looks. So we open it up. Shoes, cleats, all that's in there. As you can see, it's not separated, but again, real life, this is how it is. So this has been working out great. I got these pillows from Home Goods. They were $12.99, and the thing is, they're dog pillows. And I always try to think outside the box, because I looked in regular pillows and I didn't see anything, but I saw these like, ooh, these are nice, I like this. So I bought 2 of these, and they're a little small, but it works, it works in our space, and I like it. We also got a new outdoor rug. I got this at Costco. I believe it was $9.99. And I wanted an outdoor rug for inside because just so it can have a lot of, we have a lot of wear and tear on our rugs, so this will work out great. So over here, this is the door to our office. This is the hall closet. Here, I want to put nice decorative hooks, but there's no stud here, so I decided to just put command hooks, and this is working well. So this is where we keep our keys. As you see, I'm the only one home. Everyone else has their keys. So, and over here, put a same trash can. I was supposed to paint this, but I haven't gotten a chance. But I really wanted to show what I've done so far. So this is a future, because we have 4 of these in the house, and so I'd rather just spray paint them all at the same time. So this will be spray painted white. This I got from Home Goods. This was a find because it was in the corner in the back in the bathroom section, and the top was broken off. And so it was originally $40. They marked it down to $36, but when I brought it to the customer service and asked them about it, and they said that they can mark it down to $24. So I got it for $24, which is good. This is holding our mail now, and I glued the top on. I plan on putting a small basket here for maybe sunglasses, cell phones. I'm the only one that usually puts my stuff in. My husband, he puts his stuff in his office. But the one thing I'm very proud of is my gallery wall. My sister has a gallery wall, and I loved it. And I always kept saying, oh, I need to put one up, but I never knew where. And so I was like, why not here instead of in our living room? So I wanted to do it for cheap. And all these picture frames came from Dollar Tree except the center one. And what I used was command strips because, again, it's hard to find studs in this old house. So I used command strips, and so it came out really good. I wanted to make sure I had a scripture, which was Matthew 6:33, but seek ye first the kingdom of God and all his righteousness, and all these things shall be added onto you. And I made sure, and I have pictures of family, and pray more. Pray is very important in our family. This center frame right here, I got from Michael's. They had a sale. It was originally $40. They had a 70% off on Belmont frames. I think that's the brand. And so I got 70% off, but I got additional 20 off because I had a coupon. So I only paid about $9 and some change for this. So it came out really good. I love the way this looks. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you love videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe. You can click my face somewhere in this corner over here. Put the notification bell on so you know when I put up a video. And thank you so much for watching. And until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day.